Hey guys, this is the band workout. So this workout can be done nearly daily. This workout is going to train your shoulder through all the ranges of motion to make sure we keep it healthy. So all you need for it is one of the longer bands. Generally a lighter band is better for this one. For the last exercise in the program, you can use a heavier band. First exercise is dislocation. You're going to hold the band, elbows locked, pull away, push the shoulders away, reach up as high as you can, reach back, pulling apart, and come back down. Pull back and around. One of the key mistakes that you see is people doing this. Really arching their back as they pull the band in. You want to think of keeping a hollow body position, which is ribs down, ribs pointed towards the hips. Reach through, come up. For this one, you're going to accumulate 25 reps. Once you've done that, you're going to go into a band pull apart. So for this one, you're going to take the band, elbows locked, and you're just going to pull apart just like that to the chest. This one's going to accumulate a total of 50 reps. With this particular exercise, you don't want to start by squeezing your shoulder blades prematurely, then pulling. We're trying to target the rear delts, so from here we pull apart, push out wide, no excessive movement of the shoulder is required for that one. 50 reps is the equivalent total for that one. From here we're going to go into behind the back, pull down. So the band goes over your head, you're going to grip it a little bit narrower, you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades down and together, pulling down like a lat, pull down, up, and back. This one's going to train the middle back muscles. Accumulate a number of reps in there written down the app. And then finally we go for a scapular push-up. So for the scapular push-up, we so smoothly get the band on both our hands, wrap it around our shoulders like this. So from here, this is the one that you can do with a heavier band. Get in the top position of the push-up, hold, squeeze your shoulder blades down together, push up through the shoulders the whole way. For this one, you're looking at 10 reps. This one can also be done as a strength exercise as well. After that, your shoulders will be feeling very, very pumped, and they'll also be trained in each direction they need to be